Good afternoon, ma'am.
And what is your good name?
Riddhi.
Riddhi or Ritti?
Dhriti.
Okay, very nice name. And what is your favorite color? Pink.
Pink.
Pink?
Yes.
See, I know that your color is favorite one is pink. Huh?
Yes. How you know?
Huh?
How
See,
you know?
girls always like pink color and this little baby girl so they always love it. Right?
Yeah. Yes.
See, in your hairband also the pink color is there, and your t-shirt is full of multicolor, right?
Yes. Indigo
Yeah.
color.
So, what are the colors which is there in your t-shirt? Can you tell me?
Okay. Red,
Okay.
black,
Okay.
brown, and
Very nice.
here black,
Okay.
and clothes.
Very nice. So total how many colors you said?
Uh,
Like you said red. Just count on your finger with how many colors you said.
red,
Okay, one.
brown,
Fine, two.
black,
Three.
white,
Okay, four.
and enough. And then one more last one. Dark blue.
Okay, dark blue. So total how many colors?
5.
Five. And do you know what is the spelling of five?
Yes. Uh, F
Tell me.
F I F-I-V-E. 5.
Very good. Five is a digit, right?
Yes.
Yes. What else you like?
Enough.
Hmm?
Enough.
Sorry, tell me again. What do you
Enough.
like? Okay. Why you are looking like so angry? You don't want to sit or what? What happened? Huh?
I'm not angry.
Tell me, King. Then what happened to you?
Nothing.
Might be she
Nothing.
is sad. Is it so, Kriti?
Okay.
No.
Oh, you are not sad? She is a very happy girl.
Yes, she is just smiling.
Yeah.
Huh? Her smile makes everyone smile, right? Yes, that's like a girl. Very good. So, Riddhi, you tell me that which one is your favorite subject? Which subject you like to read most, or you want to just want more knowledge about that? आपको किस चीज में सबसे ज्यादा मजा आता है? Let me know. You love to do coloring?
Yes, and painting.
Coloring and painting. See, I know that you that love to do coloring. See, I know about you, right?
Yes.
Yes. So, what you love to draw?
Flowers and flowers and And I like flowers
Okay.
and grass and sun and this and so
Okay. And you know how to draw cartoons? Any
Yes,
cartoon like Doraemon or like Fairy? Anything that you know how to draw?
yes, we can make a TV and anything we can draw.
Anything, which thing you want to draw?
Peppa Pig and any. But today I
Okay, and with
today I was seeing TV. It was new cartoon when I was seeing TV. Ganesh ji in Hindi.
okay, so you know how to draw Ganesh ji? You don't know how to draw Ganesh ji?
But I like
Oh,
cartoon that one.
acha, you like the cartoon. Any other cartoon which you like most? Which else cartoon you just want to just watch?
Enough.
Sorry, tell me again.
Enough.
Okay, that is very nice. So you are watching that on the TV?
Papa.
Tell me.
What?
आपको देखना पसंद है? आप देखते हो टीवी में?
Yes.
Very good. See, you know the indication. See, when we say yes to anyone, our thumb should be up. And when the answer is no, then our thumb should be down. Very good. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Very nice, girl. Yes. See, when we do the good things, then we have to appreciate ourselves. जब भी हम कुछ अच्छा करते हैं ना, then we have to appreciate ourselves. Either we can clap or we can pat our back. So you pat your back also. Say, I have done a good job. Say. बोलो I
I
have
have
done
done
a good job.
a good job.
Yes, it means मैंने एक अच्छा काम किया. Right?
Right.
Yes, very good girl. So, Riddhi, do you know that we have to do meditation? आप meditation करते हो?
Ready.
You know what is meditation? You know what is meditation?
Mindful exercise.
Okay, that is the school exercise. So, can we do now meditation? You know how to do meditation?
No.
Don't know? Don't know? So, you want to do meditation?
Yes.
Okay, so see, if you want to know the way I will tell you, you just follow that one, okay?
Okay.
And you know beta, why we do meditation? हम क्यों करते हैं meditation? Okay, you don't know. Okay, so I will tell you why we do meditation. We do the meditation to make our mind very cool and very calm. So whatever the stress will be there, जो भी हमारे पास stress आएगा ना, that will be easily released. है ना, कभी कभी आपको आपकी मम्मा डांटती होंगी, या फिर कभी कभी आपको टीवी नहीं देखने देते होंगे, या when she is not listening to you, then you got angry and you got frustrated. Oh shit, she is not listening to me. ऐसा करते हो आप? Sometime it happened with you?
Yes.
Yes. So that time we are not supposed to angry on anyone. Only we need to close our eyes. Okay? So you close your eyes. Fold your hands. Yes. And now whatever I will tell you, you just listen it slowly and do it. Your eyes should be closed, beta. Close your eyes.
Why?
You will be relaxed. Sorry?
Why?
See, when we do meditation, then our eyes should be closed and we have to connect ourselves to God. Okay, so let's start the meditation. There will be no movement in your body, beta. Okay, yes. Now breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Again, breathe in, breathe out. Again, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, now rub your palm. Yes, very good. Now put it up on your eyes. Yes, keep it properly, beta. Very good. Now you slowly open your eyes. Now remove your hand and slowly open your eyes. Yes. How do you feel? Relax.
Yes.
So you like meditation?
Yes.
So whenever you get up early in the morning, then you do this. You will feel relaxed and your whole day will be very nice.
Right.
Okay?
Okay.
So from tomorrow will you be doing this?
Yes.
Very good girl. That's like a good student. Very nice. You want to clap for yourself? Okay, then do the clapping. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now sit straight. Fold your hands. Oh, very good. So, beta, you know about sounds?
No. Yes.
Yeah, English alphabet sounds.
Yes.
Okay. And you know about vowels?
Yes.
Okay. You know about the consonants?
Yes.
So, can you tell me 5 vowels as a letter?
Yes.
Not with the sound. First, we will do the letter only, and then we will say the letter and the sound. Both will be together. Will it be okay for you?
Yes.
Okay, so now you show me your hand first. Yeah, only one hand, beta. Yeah, like this. See, I'm visible to you.
Yes.
Okay, now touch your thumb. Yes, and say the letter name, which is vowel.
A.
Yes, next one.
E. I.
Yes,
O.
yes.
U.
Very good. So A, E, I, O, U, that is vowel. What is this?
Wow.
Just fold it. And say this is vowel letter.
This is the vowel letter.
Letters. So very good. Now what we are going to do, we are going to say the letter and the sound both together. Okay?
Yes.
You know all the sounds, na?
Yes.
Okay. So let's start with the sound as well as the letters. Okay? Letters are like A, E, I, O, U, and the sounds are A, E, O, A. Got it?
Yeah.
Fine. So just let's revise it again with the letter and with the sound. Okay?
Okay.
So show me your hand. Yes, just give me the high five.
Hey.
Yes. That's good. Chalo, let's start.
Yes.
Chalo, show me your hand. Okay. Chalo, now just start with this hand. What we will do, beta, there is a bit instruction. Listen to me. See, the tip of the finger will be the letter. Okay. And the down of the finger, this portion will be the sound. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So when you are touching the tip of the finger, then you have to say the letter name. Okay.
A.
Yes. And when we are touching the down of the fingers means this is the end of the finger. Then you have to say the sounds. Okay.
A.
Yes, that's good. Excellent. So let's start. Say A
A.
and sound.
A.
Very nice. Next one.
E.
Hmm.
A.
Very good. Excellent. Next one.
I.
Yes. Very nice. Excellent. You have done a great job. Next.
O.
Yes.
O.
Excellent. The last one.
U.
Hmm.
O.
Very good. So these are the vowel, letter and vowel sound. Okay.
Yes.
See, you can do this also, beta. In one hand, you can say only the letters name, and in one hand, you can say the sounds. And this hand will be the letter hand of vowel, and this hand will be the sound hand of the vowels. Okay. So letters and sounds together. Do it. Letter and sounds together. Right now?
Yeah.
Very good. Sit properly, beta. Sit properly. Yes, that's like a good student. So again, you just motivate yourself. Again, another hand. Say great job. Because you have done all the things correct. Great job.
Great.
Yes. Now you tell me, like, will you be able to read two letters word?
Yes.
Can you tell me, like, the two letters word, 5 two letters word? Can you tell me?
What?
Two letters word.
Two letters. A.
Yes.
F.
Okay.
A. P. F.
Okay.
A. S. S.
Hmm.
W. E. V.
Very good.
And on. S. Also. A. M. M.
Okay.
And U. T. R.
Okay.
And G. E. J. G. O. Go.
Very nice. Excellent.
D. O. Do.
Very good.
A. W. P. F.
This is that 3 letter. This is 3 letter. Okay. Very good. Now clap for yourself. You have done very nice. Very good. So, beta, you. Now you tell me.
This is a
I got.
A double
Sorry?
P. A double P is also F and AP is also F.
Okay. Is it okay for you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now you tell me that do you know any rhymes?
Yes.
Which is your favorite rhyme?
Twinkle, twinkle.
Okay. Can you do this rhyme with the action?
Okay. Twinkle,
Okay.
twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Very good. Like a diamond in the sky. What is the color of diamond? Have you seen the diamond?
Yes.
Yes. If you have seen the diamond, what is the color of the diamond?
White.
Okay. And
And
what
in
is the
a-
color of sky? Sorry?
and in the sky.
Acha, in sky. So what is the color of the sky?
Blue.
Okay. And where you see the stars?
Up,
Where up?
up in
Up,
the sky.
up in the sky. Very good. And where you see the moon?
Up in the sky.
Acha, in the sky. Okay. And where you see the sun?
Up the sky.
What up the sky?
Up the sky.
Acha, up the sky. It will be also in the sky, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. And if you see the stars, so stars are looking very small or looking very big?
Very small.
Very small. Okay. And when you see stars in the sky, at night or in daytime?
Night.
Night. Okay. And sun?
Morning.
In the morning. And in the evening, do you see anytime sun?
Yes. And Venus is also a planet. It comes sometime.
Yes, that is the part of planet. Very good. Very intelligent, very smart girl. And tell me, when you see the moon in the sky?
Night.
Night. Okay. And what else you see in the daytime in the sky?
Daytime.
Yes, daytime.
Sun.
Sun. And have you seen clouds in the sky?
Yes.
Okay. If it is yes, so what is the color of the cloud? Think.
White.
White. And sometimes the black clouds also you seen in the sky?
Yes, it is. And that clouds rain.
Yes, when you see the black cloud in the sky, then it seems that the rain is going to come. Right?
Yeah.
Yes. So whenever you see the black cloud, you just imagine that yes, now the rain is going to come.
Yes, and I say, rain, go away. I say,
Away.
rain.
So just let's sing together, rain, go away. Are you ready to sing?
Yes.
So let's start. 1, 2, 3, and go. Rain, go
away.
away. Come again another day.
Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, go away.
Why Johnny wants to play? You don't want to play in rain? You want to play in rain?
No.
Tell me, you love to play. No, why? Mama is saying no to you, that no, don't go.
Wait.
You love to play in rain?
COVID is there, Corona.
Okay, when the corona is not there, then you want to play?
Yes.
Yes. So, what else you love to do in the rainy season? आपको rain जब होती है, then what you love to do?
Taking in the bed and stay in the bed. I can do.
Acha beta, just you tell me one thing. You want to know how to make paper boat, which we just make it floating in the water?
Yes.
So have you done this activity anytime?
No. In Gopal I did.
Sorry?
In Gopal I did, but I didn't remember how we make.
Okay, in the next class, I'll tell you how to make. And if the corona is there, so you don't go outside, collect the water in a bowl and keep your paper boat in the bowl. Then your boat is going to float, and then you just imagine that, yes, this is the rainwater and my boat is floating. It is nice or not?
Yes.
Yes, that if suppose corona is there and we are not going outside, so we are managing the things at home, right?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. So, what you love to eat in rainy season? Now you think what you love to eat in rainy season.
Only water is the water everywhere and not a drop of drink.
So what your mother cook in the kitchen? मम्मा क्या बनाती है kitchen में जब बहुत बारिश आती है? Then what she cooks?
Hot milk.
Sorry?
Hot milk.
Hot milk mama is cooking?
Little bit.
Okay, what else she is cooking for you in the rainy season? Tell me. Ask to mama that mama what you cooks in rainy season. Dan, you asked? Mama is not there?
Pasta.
Acha, pasta. And you love to eat pasta?
Is my favorite, yes. And
Oh, your
puri.
favorite. Okay. So which pasta you like most? Yellow, white, and which one? Or the creamy one?
Yellow.
Acha, you like yellow pasta, the spicy one or the sweet one?
The spice. No, the sweet.
Acha, you eat the spicy?
No sweet.
Okay, sweet. So your mother makes sweet creamy pasta for you?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. What happened? Why you are feeling shy? Huh?
It's
Very good. And tell me one thing, that pasta is a junk food or healthy food?
healthy.
Still thinking.
Healthy because there is vegetables.
Okay, so in pasta, if we are keeping or if you are putting the vegetable, then it is the healthy food?
Yeah. If we didn't,
Oh,
it will not be.
okay. But as per the things that pasta is a junk food, it's not a healthy food. Like once in a month or once in a week, we can eat. But it's not a healthy food, na?
Sometimes I eat.
Then that is excellent that sometime only you eat. You didn't eat every day, na?
No.
That's very good. Beta, do you know what are the junk food and what are the healthy foods?
Yes.
So tell me.
Chocolate is a junk food. And french fries also. And fruit is
You love to
watermelon.
eat strawberry? You love to eat strawberry?
Yes, and watermelon. And,
Watermelon.
and orange and apple and pear and
Okay.
and, and junk food is very bad. Just like noodles, pasta, chocolate, french fries.
Okay, so vegetables are healthy food?
Yes, and vegetables also I will say are healthy. Broccoli, cabbage,
Very
cucumber,
good.
cucumber,
Okay.
and ginger sometimes. Uh,
Ginger. You eat ginger?
Yeah.
Yes.
I drink ginger water with that.
Okay. So as you told me before, the vegetables like apple, strawberry, banana, orange, grapes, what are these? This is vegetable, fruits, yeah, cereals.
These are fruits and what I said broccoli. These are
Yes.
vegetables.
These all are vegetables. And do you know about cereals?
Hmm. Fine.
You don't know about cereals?
Yes. Now, roti,
Chapati.
chapati, rice.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
That we can see chapati is
Dal.
dal. So we say pulses, beta. We didn't say dal. We say pulses. Say pulses.
What's this?
Yes, we didn't say roti. Roti we say as chapati. What we say?
Chapati.
And what is the color of chapati?
Brown.
Brown and sometime white.
Yeah.
And sometime when mama is busy while talking with someone, while giving food to someone, then the chapati is which color? It gets change color. The color is black. When we say that, yes, the chapati is totally spoiled when it comes as a black color.
How it becomes
Right?
black?
Sorry?
How it becomes black?
It becomes black when we just keep the chapati in one space only and we will not turn it. Okay? So when the gas is on and when we are not going to turn it from one portion to another, then it will get black. It is totally going to be spoiled. Right?
Yes.
And that chapati is not for any use. I cannot eat and you cannot eat. Even nobody can eat. Because we don't want that the blackish chapati.
Yeah. Yes.
So we love to eat with chapati. Either it should be a bit brown or either it should be a bit
Why?
white. So you like to eat white chapati only?
White and brown.
Okay, white and
Brown.
okay, brown. Acha, which game you love to play better? Which is your favorite game before Corona?
Badminton.
Badminton.
Yes.
Where you play badminton? You going for the classes of badminton or you are playing in your society only?
Society only.
Society only with your friends?
No.
Hmm? is your best friend?
Mahira in school.
Acha, in school, Myra is your best friend. And at your home, who is your best friend?
Lots of is there. Shrikali
Okay.
and Garima.
Okay, Garima. She's your best friend at your home?
Yes, and Shrikali also.
Okay. So with them, what you love to play? उनके साथ आपको क्या खेलना पसंद है?
Cycling.
अच्छा, you do cycling also?
Yes.
Very good that you do. So you do cycling in the morning or in the evening?
Evening.
Okay, in the evening, like when you go in the park, that time you do the cycling, right?
Yes.
And who go along with you when you go for the cycling?
My family.
Acha, your family. Who is there in your family?
Daddy, mommy, and grandpa and granny. And me.
Okay, so your daddy is there, your mom is there, your grandpa is there, and your grandmother is there, right?
Yes.
Okay, so your grandma is telling you the story when you go to your bed.
Yes.
Which story you like to just listen from your grandmom?
Is Hindi one.
Hindi one. Which one?
Krishna and Radha.
Krishna and Radha. Who are they, Krishna and Radha? Are they God or they are the common people?
Krishna is God and Radha is also God.
Okay. Do you remember any of the story of Krishna and Radha?
Yes.
Which one?
But I know one more thing with and
Which?
Laddu Gopal's mom's name is Soda Maiya.
Yashoda Maiya. Okay. And there was one more mother of Laddu Gopal, na? That the name of that mother was Devki. Right?
Yes.
He was having two mothers. He was so blessed that he was having two mothers. One mother has given born to him and one mother has taken care of him. Right?
Yes.
So how many mothers of Lord Krishna? There were two mother of Lord Krishna. Tell me the name. Tell me the name. One first name.
Soda Maiya.
Yashoda Maiya. And the second one.
Devki.
Devki. Very good. Clap for yourself. You are really very intelligent. Very good. Clap for yourself. A big clapping for yourself. Acha Riddhi, we have done twice clapping for you. Right?
Yeah. Right.
हमने आपके लिए दो बार two times and two times you pat your back, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So beta, let's do one more thing that while clapping with your hand, you also feel bored, na? Ki clap, clap, clap. Let's do a clapping which is very interesting.
Okay, tell me that.
So you want to know that which clapping I'll do with you?
Yes.
Tell me which clapping I'll do with you. Tell me.
I do this.
Nah, not in this. Think which else clapping I'm going to do with you, which you feel that yes, this clapping is very nice for me. Think. Any other thing? Any other thing which is coming in your mind that I think that ma'am is going to do this with me? No? Just pressure a bit on your brain. Just think that ki which clapping ma'am is going to do with me.
This.
Nahi, not this. Chalo, no problem. There is no need to waste the time. Just come on the topic. Chalo. Do you know how the fan is moving?
What?
How the fan is moving? Fan.
Round.
Round. Okay. So let's do the fantastic clap. Which clap?
Fantastic.
Fantastic clap. Which clap?
Fantastic.
Chalo, let's do it. How the fan is moving? The fan is moving like this. So you put your hands up and your tip of the index finger should be up. ये index finger आपका ऊपर होना चाहिए. Make your hand like this. Right hand, beta, right hand. Yes, just put it up. Put it up, yes. And just move it round and round. Say fantastic.
Fantastic.
Great, very good. Enjoyed? Sit. Sit. Enjoyed?
Yes.
Fantastic. You enjoyed?
Yes.
So which clap you have learned today? Fantastic. Yes. So today we have learned fantastic clap. Which clap?
Fantastic.
So whenever you will be giving me all the answers correctly and you will be listening very politely, very nicely, then every day I'll give you fantastic clap. Okay?
Thank you.
Welcome. And every day I will tell you a new claps. Okay? Wow, it will be a great fun for you, na?
Yes.
Yes. So we'll be doing the study in a very proper way and a very concise and a very concentrative way. So every day I'll give you one clap. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So beta, tell me one thing more. Then do you know the countings?
Yes.
Okay. You know the pre-number concepts? You know the pre-number concepts? No, you don't know? Okay. So you know the countings?
Yes.
Till what you know the counting, beta?
Till 100.
Till 100. So forward and backward both you are knowing?
Yes.
Yes. So what do you mean by forward? Forward means how we count the forward counting, beta?
Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We start with 0, right? We start with
And
0.
back 0. When we want to before 0, it comes -1, minus.
Okay. And see, if one example I just want to give you that we do the forward counting like this. Have you ever sit in the flight? आप कभी एरोप्लेन में बैठे हो? हाँ, तो एरोप्लेन कैसे उड़ती है? How it's just go in the sky? Yes. Firstly, it is just moving on the runway and then slowly it's done and then it's just in the sky. So like this, we do the forward counting. Like we start with the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 100 in the sky. Right?
Yes.
And how we do the backward counting?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
8.
Acha, let's play one game, okay? Let's see that who is the winner. Either I am the winner or either you are the winner. Okay?
Okay.
So it's a quick game, so which I'll tell you and then you also do. Okay?
Okay.
See, I'll tell you first and then you have to do the same thing. Okay?
Okay.
How we do up like this. Up, then down. We have to put our hands up, down. Okay? I will tell you and you have to enact. And the moment I am going to change the things, I will check that you are on the correct word or not. Okay?
I'm not in the correct. Then,
Quite no problem. Then we both will be the winner. Because this is very first time, na? So when we play the game first time, then both are the winner. And then from the next time when we learn and then we both play.
okay.
Okay? So shall we start?
Yeah.
Okay. When I will tell you up, then you have to put your hands up. When I will tell you down, then you have to touch your table like down. Okay? Okay. But very carefully, you have to listen that what ma'am is telling you. Okay, beta? Okay? So let's start. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. So get set, go, and here we are going to start. Okay?
Okay.
Chalo. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Down. Yes, you are the winner. Very good. Let's do it again. Now it will be very fast. Now you understand, na?
Okay. Okay.
Now you understand.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Now you have to be very concentrate. Yes. We are ready. Okay? So, chalo. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I said up. Good. You won the game in the very first time.
Yeah.
Okay? Very good. Now you just give a fantastic clap to me because you won the game.
Fantastic.
Excellent job. Very good. You enjoyed this, na?
Yes.
Yes. And you know, by this way only, we will be knowing the opposite words. Opposite means like the things which is not on the same. If suppose I am showing you this portion, so this is the front. Just show this. ऐसे करो. Do it. This is front. This is front and this is back. Right?
Yes.
This is front and this is back. Okay? So let's play the front and back game also.
Yes.
So you learn that up and down, and now we are going to learn one more word, that is front and back. Okay?
Oh.
So will it be okay for you?
Yes, your camera is on.
Oh, sorry. Now it's okay, now visible?
Yes.
Yes. See, this is front. And say front. Touch with your another hand. Front, ऐसे करो front. Say front
Front
and back.
and back.
Front
Front
and back. So I will do this in a very fast way and then you have to do it.
Okay.
Okay? And then I will check that you are on the correct word or not.
Okay.
Okay? So are you ready for that?
Yes.
Okay. So let's start the game.
Yeah.
Okay? Front, back. You have to do fast because earlier game you already won. Okay, beta?
But it
You have to speak also. Say front,
front,
back,
back,
front,
front,
back,
back.
front, back, front, back, front, back, front. Mine is front, your was back. So this time who is the winner? Tell this time who is the winner?
Two of them
Means I am also the winner and you are also the winner.
was one was not the correct one.
But no problem. First time you are the winner, na? Who was the winner of the first game? Who was the winner of the first game? Still thinking?
I was the winner of the first round.
Yes, you are the winner of the first game. So if we are the winner, we have to feel happy. And the smile should be there on our face. Yes? So say, ma'am, I am the winner of the first game.
I'm the winner of the first game.
So give me the high five that you are the first winner. Yes. And I am the second winner. Because first game I lose and you are the winner.
Yeah.
Okay.